I welcome you again to NeedleMeister channel for another tutorial. If you are joining the channel for the first time, I say a very big welcome to you again. We are going to discuss step-by-step approach to the design you're seeing on the screen right now. Many have been asking me how this design can be incorporated to our daily sewing. We are going to learn about that in the subsequent video. These are materials of length 10 inches and width 5 inches. We are going to sew them together with half-inch seam allowance. You can guide your stitch with a straight line. Now we are going to open the seam with iron. Now we are going to shear it into halves. We are going to turn one of these and sew together. Let's open the seam again. After sewing this, the length and breadth of each box will be 4.5 inches. Now we are going to fold half inch on the four sides so that the length and breadth will now be 4 inches. Now we are going to lace it with army gum. We're gonna do this to all of the four sides. So this is the material on which you want to place it. First, let's determine its midpoint. Let's hold it down with army gum. Now we are going to stitch the four sides with machine, each box with a thread that match it. At the back of it, we are going to mark the midpoint of the four sides. With this mark point, we are going to tack our design. We are going to tack those 4 points together. You are advised to tack several times here. Now we are going to do the magic. Please hit the subscribe button at this point. I beg you, if you haven't, please. And also like this video. If it's beneficiary, if it has helped you, appreciate me with a like, please. It won't cost you a dime. It is very important that you let these new shapes align with their predecessors. We are going to press each box separately with iron. Always make sure that they align. I would like to read your comment, please. What do you think about this content? I would like to read your comment. Let me see your comment, please. Appreciate my effort with it. A quick check here. You are going to see that the size of each box is now length and breadth 2 inches. If you should measure the length of one with its successor, that is the new shape reproduced, you will see that the total is 4 inches. This is simple mathematics. This is what it looks like behind. Here comes the question again. How can we use this as design on our outfit. These we are going to treat in details in the next video. Thanks so much for being part of this class. I really appreciate you. Like I said earlier, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please, I beg you, please subscribe, please. And also hit the like button. Leave a comment for me. What do you think about this content, please? I really want to read your comments. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.